Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can voice chat in Fortnite. To voice chat, you need to turn on voice chat in Fortnite first. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Click on the setting icon, click on settings. Now make sure you have a mic connected to your PC because if you don't, then you won't be able to talk, okay? I already have connected the mic. So once you do that, you need to click on the speaker icon. From the speaker icon, you need to scroll a bit down and you will see the voice chat section. Over here, make sure you are on everybody. And over here where it says voice reporting, make sure it says off when possible. And over here where it says voice chat method, make sure it's an open mic. If you put push to talk, basically you have to push a button. And if you put mute, you won't be able to talk with anybody. Make sure it's open mic so you will be able to freely talk with anybody. And over here you can choose whichever mic you want, but I'm going to choose the default one. And over here you can like turn on your voice chat notification or you can turn it off. But after you choose the setting which I have, click on apply, click on escape back. Now basically just join a squad or like join random friend. You can talk with them. That is how you guys can get voice chat in Fortnite. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.